Hodges Rocking Electric. Good night. Who you say, Big Shot?
Hey, Mr. Hodge. Hey, woo, beautiful rest last night.
Yeah?
Man, I slept downstairs last night. Air was great. I mean, woo. Been chilling, made me use my comforter.
God damn it.
Yeah, man. Did excellent. Chilled the entire downstairs.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Excellent work, Haji.
Yeah, so I did it,
I'm really satisfied with what was done. You know, time-wise, and the quality of your work is just exceptional.
Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it.
You know, I mean, everything looks good. Matter of fact, you made my house appreciate in value.
God damn it.
You know, it's really a big improvement, I must say.
Yeah, so what I did is,
You need to go see what Mr. Brown did in comparison to what you did out there. It's just like night and day.
alright, let me go check it out.
You know, it's like night and day.
So, so I just dropped off the invoice to your wife upstairs.
Okay.
I'm gonna give the viewers,
And she'll be writing that check for you right now.
God damn it.
Okay.
I'm gonna check the,
Straight to the bank and cash that. Don't
God
worry.
damn it. So what I
Don't
do?
mind and cashed it. Just know that.
Who, Brown?
Oh yeah. You know, and it's that cold. I'm still running my fan.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the viewers a quick peek of Brown's walk. So you be the judge of it of
Oh, I'm already impressed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Hodge is the best.
God damn it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my walk. It's a 3-ton media refrigerant 410 to 20 volts. Check my line set. Everything is neat. Everything is neat. You know what I mean? You know, we wear a lot of gold, so we stay gold, god damn it. Everything is neat behind there. Check out my line set. It's plumb, 180 degrees straight. This way call a line set. Cover. You see a couple lines ran on the ground. So this we call a line set. And this is Brown and Tidy Walk. I'll give you guys a close up. Brown and Tidy Walk. I never see bullshit like this before in my life. And Tidy. Very untidy. This is what he called his line set. And as you can see, the walk is actually very untidy. Which he actually drilled a hole through the coil, and he tried to hide it with this let's see if I can show the viewers. He drilled a hole through the peplum coil, couldn't get it repaired. He trying to block it off. Yes, it's specifications. It's a train 5-ton multi-speed system. Let me show you guys his line set he ran. We got a close up, give you guys a close up. Very untidy walk. Even think I've seen some screws here about the place. Oh god damn it, screws. Very untidy walk. Wires. What the hell is this? What else going to do the people walk properly? Look at this. Nasty. You know what I mean? Take you up on the other side, in which he failed to complete the job. As you can see, he still have a PVC pipe here. Still hanging about the place. You know what I mean? Very untidy walk, man. First time I see this kind of walk in my life. I don't know what the hell is this. Shit. And he said he's an AC man. Yes, guys, Brown, he's out of sync cry. Everything is untidy. As you can see, nothing is God damn it. Hodges Vac. Yes, I'm in the building, god damn it. You know what I mean? Hodges Vac, I'm back in the building. Hey, let me ask you a question, Big Shot. That dude Brown, you sure that dude is smoking crack? Or snorting cocaine, man?
As big as he is, I wouldn't say smoking crack, but
He had to be drunk when he was doing a job.
like I said, for someone to say he has the experience of an AC person, none whatsoever.
Well, tell you, Mano, we'll let the viewers, we'll let the general public be the judge of that, goddammit.
He's an amateur. I would